I'm here with another video. I'm trying to knock out this video real fast. I'm on my break or whatever. Like I said, I'm working from home, my other video. So I'm trying to do a video real fast. So here's another Michael Kors bag. This is a crossbody bag that I picked up from the outlet as well. I've actually had this bag for like over a year and I haven't even carried it yet. I forgot about it, but anyway. But this bag is called the Tina crossbody bag, and it's in, I don't know what color. I'll tell you the color in a minute. But anyway, here is the bag. It's actually two bags in one, and I will show you that in a minute. So here's the front part of the bag, and here's the back part of the bag. So the neat thing about this bag is these right here comes loose, and it's two separate bags. Y'all, this is so neat. So here's the first bag, and it does have the strap attached to it. Here's the back part of it, and you can wear it either crossbody or just over the shoulder. And here's the little thing, so you just flip that up and then open it like that. And then here is the inside. And my phone does fit. I have the iPhone 11. It does fit. I already tried it, but I'll show you guys. Here's my phone, and it does fit in there. And it's a pretty snug bag. It's pretty small, so really if you carry your phone in here, there's really not too much more you can put in here, no more than probably one of those ID wallets, and that's probably about it. So if you really want to put some stuff in here, I would suggest you not carry your phone in there because you will not have enough room. So here's the inside, and the inside you have 3 card slots right here in the back, and then if you turn it around on the other side, you have a slot, just one slot right here. So you have a little bit of storage in there. So there's that for this one. And then next, that was connected to the back, you have a wallet. So here, and then here's the back part of it. And then this right here also has the little hooks. So I can take the strap off of here and attach it to here. That way I'll have, you know, a wallet crossbody, which is really neat. So here is the wallet. And this is called the Tina Dusty Rose Wallet Clutch Crossbody. So the color is Dusty Rose. And this retails for $288, and of course I didn't pay that in the outlet. I want to say, I remember it was under $100, and I want to say it was like $80 something or something like that. It's been a minute, but I know for sure it was under $100. But here's the wallet. You're gonna have 2, 4, 6, 8 card slots plus another slot right there. And then you have an opening here, and then you'll have an opening here. You'll have an opening here. Then you'll have your zip pocket here. You have another opening here. You flip it around, and you'll have 2, 4, 6 more credit card slots, and then another opening. Now I don't know who would need that many cards, but maybe you can put like your store reward cards or something, or gift cards in there also. But yeah, y'all, that is just the cutest thing. But like I said, this is called the Tina Wallet Clutch Crossbody, and this is the color Dusty Rose. And like I said, I bought this from the outlet probably a couple of years ago. So let me show you guys. Let me unhook this. And you still should be able to find this, because I just saw one of these bags the other day on Poshmark. It was kind of expensive in my opinion, but you know, people be trying to make a little extra money. So here it goes. Attach it to the wallet. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. And you could just leave this attached to here, and then just get this one. And like I said, they have the snaps, and you're just going to snap it back together. So let me snap this back together for you guys. and it's snapped back together. So now you have your both of them together. And like I said, you can wear it. I'm not going to show y'all because, child, I look like a bum right now. But I have to do a body shot later at another time. But not today. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys. So this is the cutest bag. And this is Dusty Rose and Gold. But this is super duper cute. So, yeah, you can put your, I guess you can put your phone in this side. And then on the other side, you can have like your credit cards and all that old stuff over there or whatever. But like I said, there's not too much more you're going to be able to put in there. Y'all, this is the neatest bag. And I don't know if it comes in a bunch of other different colors. I'm not sure. But yeah, y'all, super duper cute. But this is the Tina Crossbody bag. And in the color Dusty Rose. I will include pictures at the end so that y'all can see the true color of the bag or whatever. But yeah, y'all, if y'all have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, guys, I want to show you something real quick. What I did, you notice they both have the little hooks that you can hook the chain to. Instead of just hooking it to one, I hooked it up to both of them, because you never know, this thing could actually accidentally, you know, pop off or whatever, you end up losing one of them or whatever. So you can attach the hook to both of the little clips, so that way both of them are secure. Yep, I just want to show you guys that. So okay, bye again.